Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign out of all devices for your TransferWise account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to sign out of all devices with your Wise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're doing traveling, and some places are going to be a little more dangerous as far as phone theft, and maybe your phone is stolen, so you need to sign out of that device for your Wise account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wise dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wise account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to sign out of all devices, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a menu here on the right side, and you want to click here, security and privacy. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu right here, security. So you actually have two different options. So you can click right here and you're going to log out of everywhere. So this is going to be all devices, or you can go ahead and log out of individual devices. Individual devices will be right here. Log out everywhere will be right here. Okay, so now if you want to log out of all devices, you're going to get this warning. If you continue with this process, it's going to log out all devices, including the one that you're working on, freeze all physical and digital cards through Wise, and cancel any pending transactions. They say that after you activate this, you're going to receive an email with the steps you need to do in order to recover your account. So I'm not going to do that because I still am using my Wise account. Let me go back. Okay, so the alternative is right here, devices. Let me click on here. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all the devices that you're signed into for Wise. So to avoid freezing your account, you can go ahead and sign out individual devices. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the little arrow. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show the last time that device logged in, and then also the last time it logged in, where its physical location was. So if you want to go ahead and remove that device, click here on this red button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that device has been removed. So if I want to use a Wise or TransferWise on that device again, I'll need to log back in once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove all devices for your TransferWise account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.